Hi, welcome back to GST Manufacturing. Robert here again. I just wanted to take a moment to speak a little bit about mechanical assembly here at GST. We've been doing mechanical assembly here for at least 20 years. I personally have been involved in different projects throughout my last 20 years in this business. Mechanical assembly here at GST can range from the simple to the extremely complex. We can help you with design for manufacture, design for assembly. One of the great things about working here is we have an extensive engineering team that will help our clients take a look at their projects maybe it's retail, maybe it's high technology, it could be in energy, and examine how the part is manufactured all the way through assembly, and then perhaps, if needed, offer suggestions to make the part more cost effective for our customers. You've seen different videos through retail, through the shop, different components and large assemblies we've put together. And later in this video, you're going to see a lot of electrical switch cabinets, which is one of the things that we build here for a couple different clients in that technology sector. So enjoy the tour through the facility as we go into electrical switch cabinets and their processes through our facility. This is Robert again. I wanted to take a moment to show you our electrical switch cabinets, which you see behind me. We currently build somewhere between the range of 4 to 8 of these per week, which we build complete here inside GST Manufacturing, including all of our assembly. We are certified Mankiewicz painters for our client, and that's the paint job you do see on these cabinets. We currently build these and have been building these for about 1.5 years and have contract going out the next couple of years. What you're going to see in a few moments is the actual manufacturing in the work cell where these cabinets are welded together, and we'll take you over there shortly. All right, so here we are in the work cell for these cabinets. These cabinets are all built out of Domex steel, which is imported from overseas. Manufactured here where they'll go through their final weld out and production cycle. After that, they'll be going into our debur department where they'll be dressed and cleaned up before they head off to paint. We're currently in our 32-foot deep steel media blasting booth where we will blast the cabinet you see behind me, which is now completed through weld and dress, down to an SPC 10 white finish for application of our paint. So what you're seeing right here is a large electrical switch cabinet, which we have finished blast. This is going to be masked off for all points that need to be masked off, any kind of tapped holes or studs or anything that needs to be done prior to paint.
Good morning all, Tom Goff from GST Retail. This morning we're going to discuss a little bit about the exterior directories. This is a new product we're doing. We've done a lot of these in the past, but this is a new unit that we're excited about and thought you'd maybe tell you a little bit about it. It's like a wayfinder. You can walk up on the unit, punch it in, look at a map, see where you're going in the mall locations or wherever else you're going. We have a couple of these units, which I would call prototypes that are going out. The prototypes are a good unit for what we're hoping will be expanding into a bigger market. Love for you to see these units and come review them. If you got a chance, come see GST Retail. I can talk to you a little bit more about it. Good morning all, Tom Goff, GST Retail from the factory floor. I wanted you guys to see one of our new units coming out. It's an exterior kiosk, what we call an exterior directory. It basically will give you like the wayfinder. You can punch in on the touchscreen, it'll tell you where to go, mapping. It'll give you the ideas of if you got certain companies want to do things for selling or moving things around, they use this unit. I wanted to show a little bit about infrastructure, what it is. It's built out of all stainless steel and aluminum. We make it that way to avoid any issues in the field as time goes on. Very nice unit. Once we get it up and set up and ready to go, lit up, I'd probably like to do this again just so I can show you some of the apparatus that it can do. But just curious, if you're looking for something like that, these particular units are selling for a good price. They're well competitive in the market, so come see GST Retail.
Hi, my name is Janet Lockwood. I'm the project coordinator for GST Construction. What I'm going to talk to you about today is the process that we go through between the time we get a bid and the time the job gets to the job site. It's a pretty complex process, and I think it's interesting the different steps that we have to take. The first thing that we do once we decide what we want to bid is we have estimators, and the estimators will figure out how much it's going to cost to buy our materials, how much it's going to cost to fabricate it, and how much it's going to cost to erect it, along with supplies and equipment. And they put together a bid. We send that to the GC, the general contractor. The general contractor will get several bids from several different companies and then pick the one that they want to work for them. So once they award us the bid, then our estimators turn it over to our detailing department. Our detailing department does a comprehensive set of drawings, and they go through an approval process with the general contractor. Once everybody comes to an agreement as to what kind of material we're going to use, how we're going to construct it, how it's all going to go together, we get a final set of drawings. And with that final set of drawings, we purchase the material and we send it to our shop to be fabricated. So once we send it to the shop, we get with the GC and we decide a schedule. This is like when the job site's going to be ready, when the material's going to be ready, when everything is ready to go. Then we turn it over to a project manager, a superintendent, and we will schedule crews to go out there. So as my job as a project coordinator, it's kind of to herd the jobs from the bid process through getting them drawn and onto the job site, scheduling crews, making sure that everybody has their supplies, making sure that we're on time, making sure that we have a schedule. Then everything will go great from there.
This is Leonard Flores with GST Manufacturing, senior project manager here. So we're here at DFW Terminal F connector. We're going to walk through these column covers that we've installed here at this project. We got column covers and we got stainless steel base, which is called knee wall. There's approximately 156 total between this level and the upper level. The upper level is IFS level, which is for the international flights. We won't be able to access that area at this moment, but we can walk through this lower concourse level, give you guys a tour of that. From here to the end over here is just column covers. We still don't have any base in right here. Now, the way these column covers are designed, they got a center reveal, which is the black, and the black is removable. And that's so the other contractors can run their cables, electrical, plumbing, whatever it might be. You'll see this column right here, it's kind of embedded into that upper level, and those are the ones that are really more challenging. Up in this area, we've done all this black trim going around all this restroom back on this side. The radiuses, none of the radiuses are the same. They're almost like custom made. Back in here, you got more columns. Most of these are standalone columns. They're a little bit bigger than the others. And these are a whole lot taller as well. They're a good 30 foot. If you take a look up on the upper level, you can see all the other column covers up there as well. We've run a lot of stainless steel base through there. The elevators, we've done the stainless steel on the elevators as well, but obviously we can't access those at this time. And this pretty much takes you to the end of the project right here.